Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on the EMPORIA Smart 5. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, and here you can click this button to skip introduction. Now you can click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps and then click back. Now go back to your application and then click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.